In this video, we're going to show you how to use WeTransfer app on your phone. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. First, launch the Google Chrome app on your phone. Now visit the WeTransfer.com. Here tap on the Send File option. Now to make this your app, click on this three-dot menu and then select Add to Home Screen. It will show you how the icon and name will look for the app. Tap on Next and it will ask for your permission to add the app on your home screen. Tap on Add automatically. Now visit your home screen and look for the WeTransfer app icon. There you have it. Now whenever you want to send a file from your phone, just tap on this icon. And then add your files, and you'll easily get the shareable link. That's it guys, this is how you can use WeTransfer app on your phone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.